Hello and welcome to another update video on the DXY. What we can see here on this chart is a possible 5-wave move to the upside, which has now reached target. Already in the last video update, I think the price had already reached the target area in blue here. And so I'm going to, I'm watching already for a reversal here in wave 2 shortly. We've also reached the next resistance basically here around $100.20. The swing high that formed here on the 1st of August. Yeah, this is resistance, as you can see here, but no real rejection. We are still below that level, just saying this is a resistance level. We are in a target area, so a pullback from here would not be unusual. The fact that this is a 5-wave move up is a good sign. That could very well indicate that we have actually formed a major low. In some of the previous video updates, we talked about the thesis that the DXY might have bottomed already or might be very close to bottoming. So one more low is absolutely possible in this orange scenario. If this move to the upside from the September low is a so-called C wave in a wave 4, instead of a wave 1, of a new 5-wave move to the upside, right? So we don't know just by looking at a 5-wave move up, just by having a 5-wave move up, we do not have the confirmation as such that a major low has actually formed. Yeah? It's too early for that. We don't have that confirmation, but obviously it's helpful, right, for confirming, but it's not the full confirmation yet. We need a corrective pullback. So I'm unsure whether this is already the wave 1 of a new 5-wave move up that could lead to a multi-month, maybe even multi-year rally, or it's just a wave C of a wave 4, and we had an overshooting B wave to the downside here in September, and so we get another low. Basically, you don't need to understand Elliott wave too much for this. Basically, it's about, have we formed a major low already, or do we get one more low? And there is, and again, that's all based on Elliott wave. There is one key support zone that we are going to watch. If a pullback starts from here, it'll be this area between $97.08 and $98.75. So this is going to be our key support area. Any break below $97 is a strong indication that we have already, not that we have already topped, but that we get another low. And if we can hold $97.08, and so the market comes down in 3 waves, and we see a reaction to one of these fib levels, that would be a strong indication that we've bottomed already. So they are the signals we're watching for, but we don't even need to think too much about it, because for now, the direct move to the upside is still unfolding. And I've added here the blue scenario just so that we know what we are watching for in case the market extends much further. Because yes, this is a 5-wave move up as per the white scenario. I can treat it as a completed leading diagonal pattern in which the subwaves are corrective. So we have 3 waves up in wave 1, we have 3 waves up in wave 3, and 3 waves up in wave 5. But this is already quite a long wave 5. And if we break decisively above the blue zone, I think we might be dealing with a more extended version of that diagonal structure. Which is not necessarily a problem, but it's just what it is. We would then possibly extend further and are still in a 3rd wave. So if we grind higher, I'm gonna watch the blue potential to unfold, which means no pullback soon, rather upside extension and the formation of an extended diagonal pattern. So unless we get a pullback here now, blue will likely take the lead. I'll keep you updated about that potential. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then also check out our other channels. For example, the More Crypto Online channel, where we're covering a lot of cryptocurrency education and analysis. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.